Vacuuming the same spot over and over but dirt won't budge? Your vacuum isn't broken. It's probably one of these 3 simple problems that take seconds to fix. Most people think their vacuum is dying when really it just needs basic maintenance. These hidden blockages are killing your suction power and you don't even know it. Here are the 3 fixes that'll restore your vacuum's power. Fix number 1. Check your filter. It's probably clogged with dust and needs cleaning or replacing. Fix number 2. Your bag or canister is too full. Empty it when it's 2/3 full, not completely packed. Fix number 3. Hair and debris wrapped around the brush roll is stopping it from spinning properly. Look at the difference. Same vacuum, same carpet. But now it's picking up everything in one pass. These simple fixes restored full suction power. Don't want to deal with vacuum maintenance? Our professionals bring powerful equipment that gets carpets truly clean. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit www.bearbroscleaning.com.